Here's how much electricity California uses in the summer. Here's how much it uses in the winter. Solar power makes about a fifth of the total electricity in California on a nice summer day. On a cloudy winter day, solar only makes something like a 17th of the total electricity required. So, of course, to decarbonize more with solar, we have to build more solar panels. So we build and build and build, and we'll see this go up. And hey, at this moment, we can say we're 100% solar for one instant in time. But of course, we're still less than half of the day. So we got to keep on going up and up and up until the areas match. And there we go. So now we've had to build 60 gigawatts of capacity and we can cover the whole day. Of course, all that supply that's above the demand curve has to be shifted with some kind of energy storage system like huge batteries or dams or hydrogen systems. Let's do winter. So we got to keep on going. Oh, there we're only a little bit. Got to keep on going until it's 23.3 and boom, we built like 90 gigawatts just to cover a single day. Electricity is only 40% of our total energy. We also need to decarbonize non-electric energy used in transportation, industry, and heating. The real picture is more like this. As this reaches about, 150 gigawatts of capacity, just how much we'd need to overbuild is really on display, as are the daunting challenges in energy storage. So there are other low-carbon energy sources, and we can use these too, some of which run 24/7.